So this is the Bayuka cylinder. It's also known as the hydrometer method. And that's how you determine texture by the hydrometer method or the Bayuka cylinder. So after adding 50 grams of soil into the solution, you raise the solution to 1 liter, and then you shake the soil and get all of these materials that are in the bottom, shake it, and then invert it a few times. When everything is mixed, then you lay down, put it back on the desk, and then record your 40 seconds the minute you left it on the bench. So that'll be your 40 seconds recording, and then insert the hydrometer into the solution. So our 40 seconds is, right now the reading for 40 seconds will be, we need to level our ice, and then at the meniscus we have like 20. So 20 grams per liter is the reading for the 40 seconds. And then we come again after 2 hours and then do another recording without shaking it. So in the 40 seconds, sand will settle down first, and then after 2 hours, the silt, which is the next larger particle, will also settle down. And then what you will have after 2 hours, that will be clay in the suspension. So that's how you determine texture by hydrometer method.